Hi guys! So, it's kinda laggy. Ang bilis naman ng timer dito. Okay. Nasaan na yun? Huh? Yeah, 5 days until the update is Wait, what? Sale. Sale. Kala ko sabi mo update. Kasi na... Like, this is one of those two to be gone. This one? No, not that. This one? This, yeah. Okay. Work in space. Okay, so, hello magagandang people dito sa server ko. Ano gagawin ko kay si Rash? Hello, Rashes. That's where I name Rash for. I mean from, my Rashes. Rashes. Ah! Go sis! Go sis! Okay, oh, someone sent me a trade request. Like, wait lang, sorry Naglalag ako. Si Rashes. Oh, they're already adding? Meron ng task. Ang lag today. Ano to? Unhatched. Ano to? Ano yan? I think I know that is. May ganun? May ganun? Ang cool naman. I think this is at the old update where there could be an invisible thing, right? Or maybe it's just laggy. I'm gonna trade people. You trade a boy with a book. Oop. LOL, okay. But I'm still trading people. Yeah, I'm gonna put a... This is so laggy. So laggy, guys. I don't know why it's so laggy. So laggy. I love Bubba, so what do you mean? Let's see what's the trade-off. Okay? Yeah. Si Rashes. Magiging rashes ko. Scratches. Okay. I was wanted it. I wanted that trade on when I don't know. Am I sure? Is that all? I don't really know. See if you write your trade you and no, wait. But just don't trade your unit for this. Just look at the offer, okay? Okay, sis? Yeah. I'm gonna see if wait lang. Ano?
Do you want a unicorn?
Okay.
Oh, you see that?
Another act. Parang nung kumakanta ako eh. Hindi ko alam kung ano yun.
Trade them again, okay?
Okay, I'm gonna I don't know. Ano ginagawa ko? Dapat nagbabay ako ng pets. I'm gonna see the shop. Okay. Ano yung cheap? Hala, naging 80. Hala, naging 90. 30. Okay.
60.
Wow, 80. 38. Wow, 80 ito.
40.
Oh my God, ala. Hala, baka ito yung yung cheapest. Dati meron akong 15 bucks. Anong ginawa ko? Spinan ko sa clothes. Tapos yung remaining na 10, spinan ko na din. I could have got the hoverboard, guys. Oh my god. Why didn't I wait for the day? Oh my god. Okay, I will afford another 350. Oh, hi. Oh my god. Look, I also have a cracked egg. That's cool. Okay. Oops. Sorry for you, dude. Okay. Who said trading to something? It's the Pink Panda YouTube. Pink Panda YouTube. I will try and trade people. Cause like a lot will pizza. Huh? Maybe see if you have a Trike stroller. What's that? I no need pet. People are confusing. Oh. Hi. Huh? Oh, it's my friend Gacha Panda. Why didn't I look at the username? Silly me.
No, it's the Pink Panda.
No, it's Gacha Panda. It's Gacha Panda. What do you mean? Oh. I have to leave at 1 o'clock, so yes. That's so bright. My eye, my poor eye, my eye, my eye. Let's see what he'll ano. Oh, it's the Pink Panda. Wow, ang ganda mo. Ganda mo. Hindi ko na alam kung sinasabi ko. Anong sinasabi ko? Really? Yeah, I'm trying to trade people.
Why can't I just go to my work and just like wait?
I'ma crush all of you. Wait lang, wag mo akong crush, please. Give me another chance. Give me another chance. Please give me another chance. Yes. I'm sorry, please. Please.
You could just ride you could just play.
Bye. And I crashed on myself. Never mind. Wait. I'm in the big. Oh my god. Thank you. I was in the playground and I already got this. Oh my god. Thank you. Oh my god. Yes. Wait. Oh, yeah. Okay. Okay. No, it's not. Ang daya ng egg ko. Ako yung winner. Why didn't you go? Okay. 3, 2, 1. Yes, I win. Did you see that? I win. Okay, I don't know why I'm playing at the pet's playground. And I'm just making myself an obby here. I pink lane. Yeah, I don't want to do that, obby. This girl, she just didn't ganon anything. Oh, actually, that's the wrong girl. I forgot who that is. Wait lang. That's the wrong one. Sorry, that's the wrong one. How do you look like that? Okay. I think people are copying each other. I don't know how. Kali, you cannot tell me they copied their mirror self. That's creepy.